What is up? Welcome back. I sold my full suspension mountain bike, my Diamondback Mission Pro. Sold it. I didn't really use it. I picked up a new bike. We're about to unbox it, see what it is. Shipping was a little rough on this guy, so I hope all of the parts are still in this thing. Wire cutters. For years I went without a bike stand. Man, it makes working on a bike so much easier. Alright, I got this little box inside of it. I'm hoping there's tools in it. Oh, pedals, brake disc, reflectors, suspension manual, instructions. I think it's for the brakes. It's in some kind of Chinese. Disc brake manual. And a warranty manual. And a little bell. And a little bell. Alright, I got this multi-tool. I'm going to see how much I can put together with just a multi-tool like I'd have in my pocket. I'm going to put the pedals on. Alright, there she is, all together, looking so sleek and pretty. Oh, I love that black and chrome. It looks tight. All I did is throw the bars on, line them up, tighten the stem down, throw the front wheel on, put the pedals on, tighten down the seat where I wanted it to. Now I'm going to go throw some air in the tires, remove this grip so I can slide this brake lever off and put the grip back on using the air compressor. But I did most of it with a multi-tool from Crank Brothers and a 15mm socket to tighten down the front wheel. That's it. Everything else came pretty much pre-assembled. I love that they got the tubes and the tires already on there. Saves so much time. Alright, there we go. My Metropolis 2 by NS Bikes. I'll see you guys on the trail.